Still got a truck right here, my two legs. Check out that view. Holy crap. Look at that house down there. Right when you thought this was it, this is actually the second view. So we have a little bit of sun left. I think we can make it to the top one, but I'm just about out of energy and we still have to get that truck. So let's go. You guys don't understand. Look at the sun. We are miles and miles into the mountains and it's getting dark. It's very dangerous, very, very dangerous. Not many people do this, but we are. So we got a marker on the tree there, but the whole tree fell down. How could this get any worse, man? We got a long way to go and we're still continuing up. We're not even going down yet. Remember, we passed many views, many miles, and then 1,000 steps, and it's icy and rocky and snow is everywhere. Check it out. Yeah. Pennsylvania State Forest boundary line. Anything after that is strictly forbidden. It was a dark and stormy night, a dreary night. We're not going to make it out alive. I think I'm losing my mind. We are in Christmas land right now, surrounded by the pines, but I think it should be right up here. 2,265 feet. Most of you guys are probably like, I live out west where it's like 20,000, but check that out, man. This is big for Pennsylvania. Holy crap. It actually does look pretty cool in the camera. Look at that. It's the old town down there. Mission accomplished. We made it to the highest view here. Many, many miles into the middle of nothing. But we still have to get that Ram. So let's go get her. Cummins diesel, 6.7. Don't forget. Walk down from the mountain here and check it out. The 1,000 Steps, Standing Stone Trail, Great Eastern Trail. After hours and hours, we finally made it down. We still gotta go get the truck. We made it out alive. And there's no snow on the bottom, but there was snow on the top. So I'm at Sheets right now, just fueling up, putting some of my own human diesel in my body, and now we gotta actually go get the diesel. We're gonna get on the road. We got a couple hours on the road, and then we'll have the truck. There's a Lowe's way down there. I don't know if you can see it. No, we're not in an airplane. Or maybe we are in an airplane. Stacked Cummins, man. Alright, let's see if my truck is still here. Yeah. Oh, was that there before?
Yeah.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Guess it's because it's not in snow now. That's cool. Are you sure that's the same one?
Yeah.
I guess it's because that other truck's not there, but it looks pretty high.
Yeah.
But there she is. Look how it looks.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay, I guess I better start her up. Gonna let her rip, tater chip. Alright, I'm about to start up the Cummins. Got the key right here, about to cold start her. She's all ready to go. It always takes a second. She's ready to roll. So it's only gonna be a second here and then should be good to go. Alright. Gotta put the key in now. Got the LED lights rolling. Alright, now I'm going to kick on the high idle. Well, the exhaust brake and see if she's loud. Oh yeah. Listen to that, man. Sounds so good. 4th gen Ram Cummins, man, 6.7. Sounded really good. Check out that front bumper. It's looking all nice and shiny. She's actually really smooth. She's actually relatively pretty clean. Alright guys, so like I said before, I just got back from the hike and I am very, very tired. I'm still here sitting at the Performance Warehouse and I still got to drive home, but I just want to let you know that I got the new crankcase filter. I got the valve lashes adjusted, so we're good there for 150,000 miles. The crankcase filter will be good for another 67,500 miles. This maintenance was expensive. It was a couple $100, but think about it. I don't have to do this again for a while. So yes, diesels are expensive, but think about it. I'm not going to have to change these things out or go back and get these redone for a very, very long time. So that's always good, and I like to do preventative maintenance. I don't want the truck to explode or just die or have larger issues than when you can just do this maintenance stuff now and not have to pay as much down the road. So it's always good to do this stuff and invest your money in it now, and you won't have to pay as much later. So yeah, I gotta head home. Definitely tell that the high idle's on and the exhaust brake is on. I can hear it too, but from here you guys might be able to hear it as well. Bit of long travel. I can really feel in my legs this time. I like to think of myself as someone that can do anything, push the limits and everything. But this time, yeah, that really was tiring, and going at night was never a good idea. So we gotta head out here. Sounds so good. And there is the Stack 2nd Gen Cummins. Frickin' Stacks, man, that is sick. Still haven't put any heat in the truck. But yeah, so it's pretty cool outside. Just made it home in one piece. Truck is running good, sounds good. First time I'm using the tow haul mode. I heard that it's better to run that along with the exhaust brakes. So I think I'm gonna always run these modes no matter what the occasion. Truck is running great, so we're probably gonna try to install that mod tomorrow. I'm not really sure. Gonna keep up with YouTube forever, man. Can't ever quit that. Can't ever quit YouTube. It's pretty awesome. That's probably going to be the plan for tomorrow. Silverado's right there chilling in the road salt. Still need to get her the oil change, so I'm probably not going to drive her for a little bit. Then I'll be able to drive her, wash her off, get all that road salt off there. So I usually never stay out this late. 10:30, it's pretty late. Got to do some stuff in the morning anyway. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. It was a crazy adventure today. I really do appreciate you guys watching. I always want to put these out for you. First time checking in, please subscribe. Have a good night, guys.